Good morning, and today is another day. We're going to be reviewing these, believe it or not. These are CIA issued, non-metal, undetectables.
Male voice coming from this area of the balcony.
See you in the next clip.
And the second time it sounded like you.
Hello YouTubers, and welcome back. Welcome back. This is the second clip. Yesterday a package came after I purchased some tools. Actually, these are CIA issued. Only 2 CIA agents out in the field. But they also have them for consumers. Okay, let's review this individually piece, because it's a 4 set. Alright? Okay. We're first going to issue the CIA spike, also called the Kubaton spike. This is non-metal undetectables, and if you can see, you probably could not see that, but it says Langley, Virginia. I know where that place is at because I used to go there a lot. And actually, it is Central Intelligence Agency.
Did you come over from the cemetery?
Yes, CIA issue. If you're hearing something in the background, don't worry about that. Okay, the Kubaton spike. It's heavy enough, weighted just right for throwing or stabbing.
There's also where the visitor's photo showed that apparition.
Alright. When I got this, this is from the other one that's supposed to be chasing to Bud K. But Bud K filled out the order because they probably was out of order, out of stock out of this one. And it's exactly the same stuff. They're both chasing to each other in the same part, the same building. Okay. Next is the double-bladed CIA get out a jam knife. Yes, get out a jam knife. It's double edge, sharp. I tested these all yesterday. They still keeping their sharpness. Look at that handle. Thick handle too. Look at that thick handle. CIA double-sided stiletto. It's even got a side clip. And you can tell the difference from this knife compared to this knife. See the sides? This is more like a knife. This is a half knife. As I would say, one side, or what do you call it? One dimension, all 3 dimension. Okay. The difference from that one and this one is made different. but they all work exactly the same. Alright. Last and least of the whole kit is also the knuckle. Also designed as a ice scraper. It's also a horrible slasher, puncher, and a shark. I tested this out yesterday, and let me tell you, it is very sturdy. If I can find something to be easy to break open. Now, this is a little too hard to rake into, but other than that, it can rake into some stuff. I just need one ply of newspaper to show you the raking in. What these do work is just finding the right angle to do it in.
What the hell was that? What the hell? That was a total deep male voice. Yeah. What the hell was that? Hello? Elvis? We were in the center of the arena floor. We heard in the A&B sections what sounded like a male vocal conversation type voice.
All these knives work. All these things work. Here we go again with all the knives. Cut and test.
Go and do that, and I'll yell at you when I hear it. Okay. Criminal, close the door, count to 5, and do it. I heard it. I hear you. That's it. I already heard you.
And last and least,
Alright, change positions. Are you ready?
last and least,
Alright, I'll close the door in 5 seconds.
testing on the Kubotan
No,
spike.
I didn't. Hold on. Wait. Adam. I hear you. Was it just that final one you heard? Yeah, but was that the only time you did it just now? Yeah. Okay, well, who was I talking to? Like when I went in there? You said I'm going to count to 5. Right. And you exited. I counted to 5. At about 7, I hear you, and I say, that's
I hate to be stabbed by this thing.
Yeah, I wasn't doing it. And then you came into this door and
Well,
said,
that's all for today.
right, yeah, I understand.
And just
You didn't say anything
remember,
the first time. So who was I talking to after you said I'm going to count to 5?
these are undetectables.
Yourself.
You can get through metal detectors with them. I tested it out with this one,
Because somebody said something.
and it went through. So, just remember,
Britt and I were investigating in the auditorium, and we had a couple of things happen with the scene that lines up to what you guys experienced. We heard weird, like, shuffling sounds, footsteps in the back of the auditorium.
these things are,
What sounded like a
they're
male
fun.
voice. Is that anything that lines up to what you guys read?
If you like undetectables, these are space age plastic. I hope you know that. So they can take on a lot of shit. And by YouTubers.